This brand features single hose units, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They only use standard washable filters, which do not do much to improve the room's air quality. The units are available in the USA through Best Buy, the Home Depot, and Lowe's, as well as online through the LG website and Amazon store, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The WSR models are basic air conditioners with a 6.51 EER efficiency and a noise rating that is equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. The BSSM models are for cooling only, while the BHSM units provide heating and cooling. They feature 2-speed fans with auto-swing louvers for better air distribution throughout the room and can be controlled through Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The IVSM and FVSM models use state-of-the-art inverter compressors and have 4-speed fans. They are very quiet with a 44 decibel noise rating, which is about half as loud as a refrigerator. The GSSM models are smart Wi-Fi enabled air conditioners, but they only have a 2-speed fan and use standard compressor technology. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.